Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Maria. Today we are going to get the natural permanent remedies to cure coughs. Let's go back to natural. As you all know, COVID is back again and it's spiking at a very high rate. Now we have to be at the safer side. It's either we prevent it or we cure it. If you have already contracted it, let's cure it. Let's go straight to the ingredients. We have 4 main ingredients. We have number 1, ginger. Ginger is good for improving the immunity, and ginger helps for pain, joint pains. It helps joint pains too. Number 2, we have garlic. Garlic is good for immunity too. It helps to improve the immunity, and it opens the airways, the nostrils when they are blocked. Your nose, it's gonna help to open them. And we have ingredient number 3, which is honey. Honey, it's good to, it soothes the sour throat. If it happens you have sour throat, it's good, it soothes the sour throat. We have lemon. Lemon, it's commonly used for cold. When you have the common cold, it's good, and it helps in coughs and running nose. For especially kids who have running nose, if you use these ingredients, they're gonna help too. We have either you use lemon or lime. They have the same ingredients. They have the same nutritional benefits. We have another ingredient, which is water. Of course, when you finish making this, you have to use water to get the solution. So let's go straight how you prepare the solution. You crush ginger and garlic, and you cut lemon into small pieces. You put them in a boiling pot, add water, and boil it for about 30 minutes. And you use, the solution will be ready to use. Another method of preparing it, it's either you crush ginger, garlic, you put it in already boiling water or boiled water in a cup, you cover it, you let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you mix with honey and squeeze a lemon juice into the solution, and it's good to use. So let's go to how to use it. For adults 18 years and above, 1 glass times 2 a day. If you have severe symptoms, you can use 1 glass times 3 a day. For kids 4 years and above, you use half a glass times 2 a day. That's equivalent to 8 ounces. 8 is 1 glass, so it's equivalent, yes, for times 2 a day is 8 ounces, but you take 4 ounces times 2 a day. And for kids below 4 years, please see a doctor. For 4 years and below, see your doctor. So we got how to use it and what to use. And when you take this one glass times 2 a day, you will start seeing a miraculous change or reduction of the symptoms within 1 day. After 3 days, you'll be getting out of the situation which you are in. And after, if you take it for 7 days and you don't see any changes, please see your doctor. Thank you for watching. For those who are new, you're welcome to subscribe. Till next time, stay safe.